So one of the ways that I keep my hydrangeas from turning pink, and I have one here, this is exactly what my hydrangeas would look like in the soil if I didn't treat them with a special soil amendment, which I'm going to show you right now. So pink can turn blue. I could take this and put it in a pot and make it blue with this specific product. This is an organic soil acidifier, and it doesn't have any aluminum sulfite, which might be a little bit harsh, but it does impart that property to the plant. It's sulfur. And what it does is it lowers the pH level of the soil that I have in this container, and it allows it to be a little bit more on the acidic side, which then will help the plant to take up the aluminum in the soil, which it needs to become blue or to stay blue. So you want to add according to the directions, and that of course is going to be different amounts depending on how large your container and your plant is. So you want to add this about once a month. And what's really neat is that the soil acidifier, if you really want to cultivate really dark blue blooms, then during the summer when it's in bloom, every month just continue to build on it. Keep that regimen of using the soil acidifier, and each month it'll become even more blue. It's kind of like a base tan. You know, you get your tan, then you go out in the sun again, it gets a little bit darker, Same thing with your hydrangea. So if you enjoy blue hydrangeas, and if you don't have naturally acidic soil, the best way to mind it is to put it in a container where you can control the type of soil you put in it, and also put it on a regimen of feeding with the soil acidifier, and you're going to have really beautiful blue hydrangeas. For tips like this about everything beautiful under the sun, just watch me on the